Is if sleep mode is not working on your Apple Watch. So what happens that sometimes people create sleep mode in their phone in the focus section. But what happens that they forget to open it once in their Apple Watch, so it doesn't work. So for that, just press the digital crown, and in the list of apps, you have to find sleep app. There is an app for that. Tap on it and open it once, and then your problem will be fixed. So this is the very first fix. The second fix is there are certain apps which may be open in your background of your Apple Watch, running in the background, and they are not letting it enter sleep mode, such as Google Maps, ECG Map, or there are many apps. So Compass app, okay, you might have opened it and they are still running in background. So to close those apps, what you have to do, you have to just double press this digital crown and the list of apps will appear. Just double press and then just slide to the left and close all these apps, okay, running in the background, and then see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Now, if this is also not working, then what you can do, you can just again go to settings and then go to focus and go to sleep. Scroll down, find options, tap on options. Just turn it off and turn it on again. Now go to focus, turn it on sleep mode and turn it off again. And now your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please do like.